Today I'm going to be sharing with you the research that you're going to do for number 2B in your packet over the price, if your item will be successful, and the money you will need to ask your sharks for. Remember, your purpose for this pitch is to persuade the sharks to invest in your business. So you want all of your research to back up that your business will be successful. The first thing that you'll research is your price. You're going to research things like what it will cost you to make your item, or you'll research what it will cost you to run your service if you're doing something like a party planning business. So you're going to research the things that it will cost you so that you know your price can cover that cost. You'll also research a similar product. So if you are creating an app, you want to research what it might have cost to create another app and what they're selling it for or promoting it for. Then you can use that as a back to show that you will be competitive against those other companies, but that you will also be able to be successful like those other companies have been. This research that you're doing for your price should help you decide what you're going to charge for your service or your item. The second thing that you will want to research is, will your item sell? Your sharks want to know, is there a need by your audience? So do the people that are buying your product, are they truly going to buy it when it gets out there? Are the sharks going to make any money off of you? So some things to research is a competitor. For example, if you're making a toothbrush with toothpaste inside of it, you would want to look up a competitor like Crest. Are they a successful company? Are they making more and more money every year? Are they profiting? So you're going to want to find a competitor, a company that sells something similar, to see what their success has been in the recent years. If you have created an item that nobody else has created before, you just have to find something very similar or within the same realm of items. Again, you're going to want to research if they've made a profit this year or if they are selling more and more products. So is their company on the rise? Your purpose for this research is to prove that there is an audience in your population, so the people you have chosen in 2A to buy your product or your service, that they truly will, once it would be on shelves or out in the public, they really will use your company and your sharks, and you will be successful. The third thing that you're going to want to research is the money that you need your sharks to invest in you. So again, part of that will be the amount of money it's going to cost you to create your item, the supplies that you need for your products, or hiring a team, for example, if you have a service like a house cleaning service. Ask yourself, are you planning to advertise somewhere in the newspaper, on billboards, etc.? So you're going to want to research advertising costs. This should help you come up with how much you are going to ask your sharks for to start your company, because remember, you're going to have to pay that back as well before you make a profit. So you want to have a reason for what you're asking them for. So on Monday, 2B is due. So what is due will be your questions that you researched and the answers that you found using your resources. If you need more room than 2B allows on your packet, you are more than welcome to write it on another piece of paper and attach that piece of paper. Make sure it's organized because you're going to use these items for your pitch. Be sure that you record the websites that you got your data from. If you would like to do this electronically, you're welcome to create a Google document instead of writing it on paper. We'll just probably print it together and attach it to your document. These next couple days while you're working, and I'll be gone, if you have any questions, just email me, and I should be able to respond fairly quickly. So while you're researching, if you have a question right there in the middle of class, just hop on your email it to me, and I will answer you as soon as I possibly can.